I told her when you're in court, take control, talk shit, do whatever you need to do. Okay, because the judge can't do a damn thing to you until they tell you if you don't shut the hell up, I'm going to hold you in civil contempt. Now there is another contempt too, but if you're doing a job right, they're going to say civil. That's when you make your determination. At this point, if using my stuff, I don't see any need to 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 throw that all on the table where there ain't no need for that. Because if you're using my stuff, they're trying to piss you off anyway. They're trying to piss your ass off anyway so they can go around this shit and send your ass out of here. I had a young lady tell me she gave them such a hard time that they called a bunch of recesses, and then the last recess she went to the bathroom and they locked the doors to the courthouse and finished the hearing with her locked outside the door, beating on the door. Oh, yeah, that lady, she was probably my sister, so something, I don't know. Or maybe I was her brother. I don't know. But I was impressed. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for coming to the last minute stream here, too. So I also loaded Nikki up with some words because when they're going to file a letter, or if they're going to send her a letter and that shit ain't even on the record addressing what she has on the court record, then they're obstructing the administration of justice. That's how non-bar attorney is going to tell you that your ass about to get chopped up. Okay, you're obstructing the administration of justice, and that's what the attorneys are doing. And when you go into a hearing, if you're to that point before you get in my program, because you get in my program, they ain't gonna have hearings. Y'all see, if you're going to do a hearing, you want to make sure that you're trumping all of the shit that they're talking about. Okay. You want to go into a hearing, it's like Mahomes chopped up. I didn't watch it because I was too busy working. Okay, but I heard about it. Chopped up some people last week in the game. Every pass was 80 yards down. Every shot when you open your mouth, you should be demanding they bring your deed to court. Because they ain't gonna, they already screwed you over the first time they were supposed to deliver it. I would judge, we're here because you're supposed to be upholding the statutes and making the government employees follow that shit to make it fair for us. Otherwise, the due process is violated at the gate. That's why we go after the why y'all asses are able to do this and not so much spend no time on the what. And I have people have a hard time with that. People have a hard time grasping the why and getting the hell out of the what. And so they still feel like they got an answer to the judge filed some shit and I gotta do, on a state court level, oh, hell no. The whole process on a state court level is shit. Why would you answer to it? Add them people to the counterclaim, jam that shit up. DeRico? Okay, we used to say jamming up and then file your claim in a federal court.